Yes, children, can you see the picture here? What is that? What is that in the picture? Yes, water. Isn't it? Now tell me, where do you find the water? Yes. Can anyone? Yeah, we can find water in so many types. What we call them? Water bodies. What we call them? Water bodies. That may be rivers, sea, lake, pond, etc. First of all, tell me, why do we need this water? Why do we need this water? Yes, I think you all are telling the answers there. Yes, we need water for various purpose. Okay, we use this water in various purpose, and this water we can find in the different water bodies. Very good. Let us see, why do we need this water? For what purpose we need this water? Okay, yeah, see the picture, children. We use water for drinking. Yes, do you drink water? Yes, we drink plenty of water. Okay, yes, and also we use this water for, next one is cooking. Who cooks food in your home, children? Yeah, mother cooks food in your home. Do we use water for cooking? Yes, we need water for cooking rice. You want water for cooking the rice, and you need little bit of water for cooking the curries. Okay, and also used for bathing. Where do you get water in the bathroom, children? Yeah, from the tap. And the water from the tap, where do you get the water from? How you are getting water into the tap? Okay, let us discuss all this in further classes. Okay, first of all, uses of water. We use this water for bathing. And also, can you tell another thing? Yes, we use the water for cleaning. Cleaning our school, cleaning our home, cleaning our rooms, our bedrooms, our home, everything. In front of our home also, we sweep and clean with the water. Yes or no? Yes, and also we keep rangoli in front of our home. Yes, only this? Yes, we use for washing the utensils. What is meant by utensils, children? Utensils nothing but these are the things which we can find in the kitchen room. Okay, understood? Your box, lunch boxes, and mother cook in one dish. No, the dishes, all this we call it as a totally utensils. So we use water for washing utensils, and also for another thing, swimming. Do you swim, children? Yes, some members learn swimming. Where you will swim? In the air? No, we swim in the water. So we need water for swimming purpose. Totally how many we have discussed now? Cleaning utensils, cleaning clothes, taking bath, and also water of plants. Yes or no, children? Drinking. And also see here one main thing, farming. Okay, yeah, farmers also use the water for farming. Otherwise we won't get the grains or food. Okay, so mainly farmer use water for farming. Okay, children, these all are the some of the examples of what? Why do we need water? How we are using the water? Okay, children, now tell me, where do you find this water? You are using for washing clothes, taking bath, watering plants, and cleaning utensils, everything. Then where do you find this water? Yes, we find the water in the tube wells. Did you see anytime this tube well, children? Do you know this tube well? Yes, on the street roads, side of the road, we can find these tube wells. When we press that back side, we get water from front side. Why? Because the water, underground water comes out. Okay, and next thing, I think you know this one, we also get water from this place. What is this? Yeah, this is the well. Did you see anytime well, children? Yes, in olden days they use more these wells. Yes, in villages we can find more. Nowadays in our homes we cannot find these wells more and more. But in villages or in olden days, they used to take water from the wells. And also another picture I will show you. Can you find what is that, children? See here. What is this? Tell me. Yes, can you tell? Four sides land and middle water. Yes, it is nothing but we call it as a pond. What we call them, children? Very small land on four sides. We call it as a pond. Same like pond, another water body is there. Can you tell? Yes, that is nothing but lake. Somewhat bigger than the pond. Pond and lakes are same, but lakes are somewhat bigger than the pond. Okay, children? Yes, when you compare to the pond, the lakes are bigger, and lakes also have four sides land. Yes, did you see? All sides we can find the land. And next water body I will show you. Can you tell? I think already I have wrote their name. Okay, no problem. You can see and tell. Yes, what is this? River. River always, see here children, river always flow. It won't be constant like pond or lake. You saw the pond and lake in between the land, four sides land, in middle water. Do the water is moving from one place to another? No. But rivers flow continuously. See here, no stop is there. It is flowing forward, okay. But both sides you can find the land. When comparing to the pond, rivers have both sides land, not four sides. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Yeah, so many members went for a beach, I think. Yes or no? Yes, I think all members, so many members went to the beach. Can you find two sides land, three sides land when you go to the beach? No, we can find only one side land. See here. The buildings are one side and the water is one side. Can you find the land in third side? No. So, sea water has only one side land. Okay, children? This is the sea. We can find only one side land. Okay. Now, I will show you another picture. What is that? Tell me. Yes. This is the ocean. Can you find the land around the ocean? No, no land can be found around the ocean. Okay, children. See here, the difference between the water bodies are, what are the different water bodies here? They are nothing but lake, rivers, pond, sea and oceans, and also tube wells, wells. What are the difference between them? What we want to tell? Oceans are largest water body. Yes or no? While comparing to the others. And here both lake and ponds are surrounded by land on four sides. See, this is the pond. Yes or no? The land is surrounded by four sides. And now again I will show the lake. By seeing lake, see this pond is very small. Observe carefully. You can find so much of land backside. But when you see the lake, can you find the land backside so much? No, the lakes are big comparing to the ponds. Okay, children? And again what we are saying, yes. So here oceans are very big water body, and ocean has no land on any side, but lakes and ponds are surrounded by a land on four sides. And now sea. A sea is surrounded by a land on only one side. Can you see both sides land or three sides land? No, only one side land we can find here. What is that? Sea. And rivers. What I told about rivers, children? A river has land only on two sides. Yes, now I will show the river. Yes, see here. River has both sides land, not three sides land or four sides. Both sides, okay? And it flows forward, okay. There is no stop. Directly it goes into the sea and it will mix in the sea. So these are the water bodies, different types of water bodies we have learned in this class. Okay, why do we need water and where do you find the water? Now you understood, children, where do we find the water? Yeah, here I have showing you, see once, different water bodies. First one, right side, tube well. well, pond, small land on four sides. Yes or no? Pond, did you see? And lakes, bigger than the pond, land on four sides. Rivers flow water, land on two sides, land. Okay. And huge body of the water, sea. Ocean, largest body water. Yes or no, children? Did we see in the picture? Yes. Now open your textbooks, children. Yes. Open the textbooks. Sources of water. Sources of water. Keep finger. We need water to drink. We also need water to cook, clean things, and water plants. We get water from lakes, rivers, ponds, seas, oceans, wells, and tube wells. Again, you can see the pictures here. Okay. First one is pond, four sides land. Yes or no? Yes. It is a small water body. It is surrounded by land on four sides. Next one is lake. Very big than the pond. It is bigger than the pond. It is also surrounded by land on four sides. Next one is river. See the river, both sides land. Yes or no? Yes. It flows and has land only on two sides of it. Okay. Next one is sea. One side land, one side water. Yes or no, children? Beach. Example, beach. It is a large water body. It has land only on one side. And last one coming to the ocean. It is the larger than the sea. Okay, children, this is the topic. Open your volumes and complete it.